What's up everybody? What's up Ranger fans? What's up YouTube? This is Psycho White here, and today I'm gonna share with you my Power Rangers Lightning collection of the metallic armor. What's up everybody? So here I have the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Lightning collection, and today I'm going to share you with my metallic armor rangers. And here is the pink ranger here. There's the blue, the white, the red, the black, and the yellow. And here I'm going to show you up close of the pink ranger right here. Here's the pink ranger up close. What I did was I painted in glitter to make it look like the metallic rangers. Looks more better in the transparent with Catherine, which I just showed you in my previous video. Looks better. And here is my blue ranger in metallic, also painted in glitter. Looks great on it. Eventually they will making some more transparent metallic ranger, which is I don't know how that comes out, but my version looks more better. Here is my white ranger in metallic mode. As you see, you can barely see the glitter because he's covered in white paint. And here is my red ranger in glitter, as in metallic mode. There is the red ranger. And here is my black ranger in metallic mode, also in glitter. Looks much better. And here is my yellow ranger. Oops. My yellow ranger in metallic mode. See, get that focus. There it is. There it is. In metallic mode. See how it looks. So yeah, so here is all my metallic rangers in a metallic mode. And if you planning to do your own metallic ranger, you're welcome to. It looks more better than the transparent version. And that be it. And subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.